Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. Smartass and Sass just arrived for February. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So February Smartass and Sass just arrived. For one, I do want to tell you that they do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Smartass and Sass, for sending me your amazing sassy box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Number two, this is my Smartass and Sass box. So in this video, I don't really hold back what comes out of this mouth. So if you're not into foul language, then you might not want to watch this one. Or if you have little ones around, earmuffs, watch later, that kind of thing. But this is my Smartass and Sass, so I'm disclaiming, and there's no telling what's gonna come out of this. So that being said, now I wanna tell you, I've noticed that this is a new box. I have never seen this box before, but it's probably because they needed something a little bit bigger, because all of their stuff that they cram in their box, sometimes I don't even know how they get it in there. So they probably needed something a little bit bigger for all of their stuff, or this month we just have a bigger item, one of the two. But it has the same thing. Smartass and Sass, classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. Drop it like it's hot, but not really. It's fragile. So there is the box. So let's get into it and see what's inside of February. I'm always so excited. So ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. So that's what it looks like when you first open the box. So let's see what's all in here. All right, you guys, so now that I've taken everything out, there's a lot of things in front of me, and here is the brochure that they do now, and it goes over all of the different items that they have with some other cool information. They even talk about like their store, or if they have any sales coming up, that kind of thing. They talk about their secret shop. This month it says, make today your bitch. That's right. Make it your bitch. February 2021. So, sassy subscribers. It says, this month's subscription will make you more mindful of the badass you are. Make every situation your bitch, because backing down is just not an option anymore. February is all about taking the reins and steering everything towards greatness. I come in too many flavors for one fucking spoon. Oh my gosh, I just look over and I read that side. That's hilarious. Okay, you guys, so if you want a sneak peek for next month, March's theme is I Can't Even. Next month's subscription will remind you to slow the fuck down and take a break, lady. Most times, day-to-day life just makes you shake my head. Some tasks you just can't even deal with at the moment. So take some time to relax with March's subscription items. You deserve it, queen. So there is a sneak peek for next month. So for this subscription, if you do not know, they have 3 different tiers. You have a t-shirt only, the goods only, or the big box like they send me. So I always like to start off with showing you the shirt first. So if you get the shirt only, or if you get the big box, this is the shirt that you would receive. Their shirts are all extra small to 3XL, and they're unisex soft blended tees. I'm actually wearing one. I speak fluent sarcasm from a previous box, and you can purchase just their shirts on their website. So if you just want to grab a shirt or two, you can just get them directly from their website with no commitment. So this month it is blue. I love this color, and it says Mad Hustle. Mad hustle, mad hustle, mad hustle, mad hustle. Every day you're hustling, hustling. Every day. That's what I'm doing. I'm always fucking doing shit. Another day, another dollar to be made, another dollar to spend with shit you need. So, you know, but that is cute. Mad Hustle. And I like how it's like all like the white on the top with nothing, and then they have it this way. So it's really cute. I like the way that they laid it out on the shirt, and I love this color. So there is this shirt, again, for the shirt only or the big box. Now let's get into the box and see what all we have. The first thing that's the closest thing for me to grab, it says dirty hair dust. Huh? Dry shampoo. Okay. It says cake face shopping, and this guy, let me find it, is right there. So this is valued for $5, and you can purchase this from cakefacesoaping.com. Use code B-word, B as in boy, W-O-R-D, for 15% off a $30 order or more, and expires 3/31 of 21. Finding yourself in the moment when you really need to wash your locks but don't have the time, actually energy to do so? Dust a little of this all natural powder into your roots. Let it set in for a couple minutes and then shake your hair with your fingers and voila. Good to fucking go. I actually do not use any type of dry shampoo or anything like this, so I'm gonna set this aside for one of you guys to enjoy, because I know a lot of people do use dry shampoo, especially nowadays. So you just pop the top and use like a powder form instead of the spray form. So there is that, and again, that's valued for $5. So then the next item we have, it says Bend and Snap Hair Ties by Smartass Sass. And these two right here are valued for $3. You can find them at Smartass Sass. And this month, their code is B-word. So B as in boy, W-O-R-D is the code that you can use for 20% off their shop this month. So this one here says, 2 cute new ties to add to your collection. It's called the Bend and Snap. What would Ellie Woods do? She'd tie her hair up and always have faith in herself. Give your pony a pop of color it needs, valued for $3. So this Bend and Snap thing, I'm like, what the hell does it do? It's just a normal, it's not fancy. It's just a normal hair tie, but I don't know about the Bend and Snap part. That part threw me off. I'm like, do you snap it? Like, what the fuck do you do? It's just a normal hair tie, Tracy. So there's those two with those two colors, which they're super pretty and definitely like really cool for this time of year, bright and summery type colors. So I like that. So there's 2 hair ties, again, valued for $3. All right, so now we have, it says, if you need me, I'll be over here being a badass. And this is from Fringe. It says it's a decorative tray. So let me find this. This is valued for $16. It says Badass Tray by Fringe Studio. And you can go to fringestudio.com and use coupon code WELCOME20 to save 20% off your first order. I can get the fucking box open. Jesus. Okay. And it's a tight fit, no wonder. If you need me, I'll be over here being a badass. So it's just like a little trinket jar. You can drop your rings, your change, whichever you would like, but it's a little trinket jar, and not a jar, a little trinket tray, I guess I should say. So you can set that anywhere and toss your stuff in there. And this says, stop losing your jewelry with this ceramic tray. Gold lettering, may I add. Rings, earrings, keys, whatever the purpose may be, comes in a cute gift box, preventing damage. Again, valued for $16. So that's super cute. You can just set it anywhere and toss whatever you want, or you can just have it sit there and just let people read that you're just being a badass. That is super cute. So there's that. Now there is something in here and it says Sleigh Spray by the Burlap Bag. And you can go to theburlapbag.com and use code B-word for 20% off their shop. And it says Sleigh Spray, Room Spray. So, okay, so you just spray the room. This is a custom sleigh spray collab, also known as the best smell ever for obvious reasons. Also available as a candle with scents of tropical and citrus fruits like satsuma, I'm not sure, guava, and papaya. This spray will leave your room smelling good enough to eat. Sorry for thinking about food again. Valued at $10. So let's smell this thing. Ooh, that does smell really fruity. Like the guava, papaya. I am smelling all that. That smells really good. And it's a room spray. So you can just spray your shit down and smell amazing. That smells really good. I really like that. And it comes in a candle too. So if you guys want to check out their shop, you can get more room sprays and matching candles. And then we have, now we have, it says Boss Lady. Oh my gosh. And it like went up and over. It fell down a thing and went into my trash can right on top. Alrighty. Don't do that. It says Boss Lady Vibes. I'm putting this on my desk at work. Is there a clear thing on this part to take off? Hold on. Yes, I'm that one that always has to take plastic things off. So it's the first thing that I see. I'm like, oh, clear, like a foggy film. Oh, that comes off. Okay, now that looks so much better. Boss Lady Vibes. How cute is that? This right here says Boss Lady Vibes Design Sign by Smartass Sass. Whether you place this at home, at the job, or gift it to a hard-working comadre, this cute light blue desk sign is the perfect addition to your boss babe life, valued at $15. And again, B Word will save 20% off their shop this month. I don't know if they have other sayings, but Boss Lady Vibes is super cute, and blue is my favorite color. So I'm definitely putting this on my desk when I get back to work tomorrow. So I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's again valued for $15. All right, now we have, it says Good Food, Good Mood Lunchbox by Smartass Sass. It brings me to like Saved by the Bell kind of vibes, like retro. This is really cute. And it says Good Food, Good Mood. And it looks like there's gonna be handles. Oh, look, here it comes. There we go. This is valued for $20, and it says, don't talk to me when I'm hungry. Oh, it says hangry. It doesn't even say hungry. It says, don't talk to me when I'm hangry. This is a lunchbox / insulated 2-in-1 bag with a shoulder strap for ultimate comfort and carrying needs. How cool. So you have your little one here, or you have this, which is fully adjustable, can go a lot longer or shorter. There is a little pocket on the side. I tend to like keep napkins, my little napkins and shit like that inside little side pockets of my lunch boxes. But let's get this opened, and it is all open and insulated. You can drop down anything. Some of these I like to keep like one of these kind of in my car, because if I ever go to the store and I buy anything that's refrigerated or like ice cream, anything like that, if I have an insulated bag, I tend to like grab all of those, toss them in one bag so they can all stay nice and cool while I'm driving home, especially in the Florida summer months. I definitely like using these. I think one of theirs I have in my car that I got before. But that's another thing if you want to keep something like that in your vehicle to help with grocery carrying. But that is super cute. And again, you can just toss everything down in there, zip it up, and you're good to go. You can take it for walks, parks, sporting events when we get back to that. If you go watch your kids play sports, you can bring in some little snacks and drinks at least to have. I mean, that's just a perfect size. Even if you're going to take something on the go and you have like a long car ride, drop in some cold drinks, snacks, and just keep them cold while you're traveling. So that's super cute. Again, valued for $20. And then the last item in here is down inside of here, and it says, make today your bitch. And it's a water bottle. It has little specks on it. That is super pretty. So it's all black and white, and then you take the top off, put in your water, and you are good to go. So that is super cool. This one right here, let me find it. Make today your bitch. A hell of a water bottle with the most necessary reminder. Make this moment your bitch and keep your beverages a perfect hot or cold temperature with this 16-ounce insulated white speckled water bottle from yours truly. Valued for $20. And again, B Word will get you 20% off their shop. So there's that. Make today your bitch. And that is everything that came in this box, you guys. This is such a good box yet again. So quick recap, we have this water bottle with this really cool saying on it. We have this, which is going on my desk tomorrow morning, but you can put it anywhere just to remind yourself you are that boss lady and keep those good vibes coming. You have a little trinket jewelry tray to put anything on, or just to keep it for a cool saying. If you need me, I'll be over here being a badass. Peace. You have a sleigh spray, which is a really good scented room spray. You have a dirty hair dust, like dry shampoo. You have 2 different hair rubber bands, and then you have a lunchbox. And then if you get this big box or the shirt only, you have this shirt as well. Let me pull it open again. There you go. This is such a good box, you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this particular box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the February box? What did you think of the contents inside? I just love this box. You guys know it. Every single time I find the best and most hysterical things from this box that I would never find anywhere else. And I love the fact that you can go and just purchase individual items from their shop and no commitment, that kind of thing, if you don't want to go straight to the subscription. But if you would like to go to the subscription and you would like to know some more information, I will let you know right about now. So again, they have the 3 different tiers. The shirt only is $15.95. And again, you get extra small to 3XL soft blended tee. And that's what you would get for the month. It would match the shirt this month. If you do everything here but no shirt, so all of the goods, no shirt at all, that one's $34.95. Or if you get this big box like they send me, where you get the shirt and the goods, it's $49.95. Shipping is in addition. But you are always going to find some cute, snarky, just amazing, unique items from this box. A lot of the stuff Smartass and Sass is doing on their own, which is absolutely amazing because they come out with the best stuff. And I love that you can just purchase them directly from their site if you would like to, or if you get a box and you're like, hey, I know somebody who would absolutely love that and you want to get it for them as a gift, then you can get the individual item at that time too. So that is that. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? What do you think of Smartass and Sass? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.